What we're going to be doing here is replacing the cylinder. Tool we're going to need is the tool that you guys have provided to loosen the cylinder nuts, and a 5/8 wrench. First thing you want to do is make sure your product tank is empty. Once that's done, what we're going to do here is loosen up these clamps. We're going to take the hoses off the product valve, like so. Remove this clamp right here. That allows it to take off the product valve. Once we have that off, this is where we're going to use this special tool that you're provided. You want to throw there. Once those are loose, we're just going to remove these. This plate comes off. Now we're going to take this cylinder off, pull it right off, like so. And once that's removed, we use the same tool right here where you see the insert. And then we loosen these up. This comes off. That's how you remove the cylinder. So now to replace the next cylinder, we're going to use a 3/4 to loosen up these nuts here, change this block out. We're still going to use the 5/8 for the tool you need here, and 11/16 to be able to hold this nut while we're loosening up the cylinder. Slide this cylinder on. Alright, once it's seated inside, you know that one's set. If that's tightened up, you can go ahead, Put this plate on. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these back up. Put the clamp back on. Put the hose line back on. This clamp on. Tighten that up. And put the hose line back for the product of, like so. And that's how you change your cylinder.